Hey, if you're considering getting these little replacements here for your downspout drain extension caps, I'm going to share some of the information I wish I knew before I got these. If you have one of these downspout drain extensions, they are great. They move the water away from your house. The only problem is you can see that this one here, it's got a crack in it. I actually had another one that cracked a lot. So I was going to get some replacements for these. So this is the original one I had. It was a Rainbird one. I could not find the exact same one online. So I bought this. I'm going to check this one right here out. You see it has this part down here. When the water lifts it, it'll lift right up and allow a lot of that water to come out. Now this says it'll fit a 3 to 4 foot drain. I was a little bit uncertain when I first did this, because when you measure all the way across these, like my old one here, I measured across it was 6 inches. But what you're really looking at is this part down here. This has got to fit into a 4-inch drain. Let me show you that. I'm going to wiggle this out. Just going to pull this out. That looks a little dirty, so I'm going to clean it out before putting the new one in. Installing the new cover is going to be really simple. I'm just going to place that down and push it down. And as you can see, when the water gets to a high level, it'll just raise right up, let that water out. Well, I'm pretty happy with these. They're very easy to install. You just pop the old ones out. These, you just push it right down. They look great. I like it. It's very nice and easy.